If you need to recover your KeyBank account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the KeyBank website. Go to the official KeyBank website using a web browser. Look for the sign-in option, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once you are on the sign-in page, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Enter your information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you do not have access to your phone number, look for alternative recovery options. This may include answering security questions or receiving a recovery email. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Follow the instructions provided based on the recovery option you selected. If you chose to answer security questions, respond accurately. If you opted for an email recovery, check your email for a link to reset your password. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to regain access to your KeyBank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to KeyBank customer support for further assistance.